Cambodia better watch out.
Team. Not exactly sure where Maurice and Manny are, but Debs and Arnie are definitely here, so Arnie will be here. Arnie, I'm off, mate.
Oh, fat fella, where are you off to?
Canada. We're talking about it for like 4 months.
Better watch out for those bears, eh?
Oh.
Big Justin Cookers for the road. Cookie!
I can't believe that it's like here today. Like, I've been wanting to do this since like 2016. Me and Wayne used to talk about it, and it was like the dream to go to Canada and shred the slopes and just explore around there, and now it's actually happening. That it's mind-blowing.
I'm actually gonna miss him. Like, Cambodia better watch out.
Yeah, Arnie. Lights are on. No one's home.
Where do I start?
Let me find my sister. Don't know where she's at, but we'll locate her. She was telling me about this secret waterfall we can hit. Weather's pretty dodgy. First attempt to actually vlog in public. It's kind of weird, but who gives a fuck? Hi James Farron, just wondering what your passion is.
No passion.
Are we gonna get ice cream?
Hello.
Good afternoon.
That's a nice dance.
Chocolate cup? What do you reckon?
I reckon, yeah, chocolate one actually.
Sherbet flake, please. Oh.
Jack, I'm fine. My baby beer.
Oh.
Yeah, g'day. Give us a wave. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Farewell, Aotearoa-san. I'll see you again one day. And that's the end of episode 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in Canada.